In this video, I'm going to talk about joins. Join is very useful concept in RDBMS. It is so powerful that you can use joins to make any complex queries and retrieve the data from multiple tables as you want. So there are different kind of joins. Today we are going to talk about main four joins: inner joins, outer join, left join, and right join. So let's have a look. Before we go into the practicals, let me show you what I'm talking about joins here. So as I explained that there are four type of joins, and joins are used to retrieve the data from multiple tables. And as it is depicted in this picture, so if you are providing a left join, which means you have table A and table B, if you are doing a left join and you are selecting on a key basis, so all the data from table A will be selected along with the common data between A and B. So that is left join. But wherever you look for right join, so this is vice versa, which means all the data which is intersect between A and B will be selected, and obviously the data from B will be returned. Whereas if you go for inner join, this is the most common join used, where you have to take the data which is common between table A and table B, which is the intersection point of it. And then there could be a requirement where you want to take the data of those which are unique to A but not intersect with A and B or common for B. So that is possible when you do B key as null. So since this key is null, it will return all the data from this information. Very similarly, when we do for otherwise, you can have the right join and you can make column A as null. Now, what are the outer join? So outer join, you can simply select all the data from both the tables using outer join. And if you want to neglect the data which is common, so you can use their keys as null. Now let's look at some of the practical examples here. This is your table B, and in table A, what is not available, that has all the data for employees for department 10, 20 and 30, except 40 they have the data for all the department 10, 20 and 30. So this particular department is missing. Now if I say I want to select department name which is part of department table and not present in department name is not present in employee table, but still if you want to report the data from this table, you can run inner join. So there are two ways to implement it. One, you can simply use from both tables, and then you can provide a key combination which is common for both the tables. If you run it, you will see that the department name is populated along with the department name. As I mentioned, since it has taken the priority of data which is commonly available in A and B, so that is where 40 department number is missing. If you need to do the other way, you can write the columns name required from table employee, and then you can left join with department and you can provide a key combination. This will give you the same result. Now, if in case you want to run for outer join, how you can do, you can use full outer join as a keyword. And if you run this query, if you run this query, as you see, this gives you the data from A, from B, and which is common also. So 10, 20, and 30, which is common data, provides you that information. Alongside, it provides you additional details from table B, which is our department table. If in case there is another record available in table A, this should have also populated that because it is a full outer join. But if in case I want to restrict the data, I have to use keys as null. So which means I can say that department number in B is null or department number in A is null. So that is how I can control the data. That's one way of using the full outer join, and this is with the null key option. So if I use the null key option here, I should be able to see the data which is not common. So you can see that 40 with operations is present. Now, if I need to use left join, what this left join says, it will select the data from employee and return all the record. So if I run this data, let me show you the result set. So it gave me all the data which was available in. So this result set is very common as you have in inner join. The only difference between inner join and left join, it gives the priority to your table present on the left. Now, if I do the right join on this table and run this query, you can see it provided the data. So it gives priority to all the data available on right of the table, which means in this case, we have given priority to department table. So since department table has 10, 20, 30, and 40, it provided you all the data from that. So that is how inner query, outer query, left join and right join works. This is very important question or topic from interview perspective. I would encourage you to do this practice for multiple tables, not just employee and department table. This is very useful concept. If you face any issues, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely help you.